The Florence Project is pioneering a new way of designing technology. Almost 500,000 Australians live with dementia. The myth is that living with dementia means living in care and not participating in the community. The myth is wrong. The reality is that most people living with dementia live in the community and, with the right support, participate and contribute. Taking care of yourself and family, staying in contact, volunteering, having fun, learning. These are things that matter. Communication is an essential part of life. Changes to communication with dementia are both important and challenging. If we don't get the help we need, communication and being part of the community may stop. The Florence Project started investigating whether technology can help. Technology does hold promise, but we found that much of it misses the point and can't be used, even when people try. So the question is, how do we stop designing things that sound good in theory but don't work in practice and develop things that really make a difference? We needed a new paradigm to design technology that is wanted, practical, and will actually be used. The Florence Project pioneered a new way of designing with people who live with dementia and their care partners, a group called the Living Experience Expert Reference Group. They wanted technology to make my day go better. We had to learn to work together with all our strengths. It meant doing things differently, but it was worth it. Together, we learned what technology should be designed and how those designs turn out in practice. Meet Daisy. She's a retired lawyer, a wife, a mother, a member of the community choir, and Daisy lives with dementia. She still needs help organising her day and remembering names. She works hard to stay involved in things that matter, with some help from her family and services. Like everyone, Daisy will use technology that makes her day go better. She wants a smart calendar organising the day, a way to remember names and show photos of who she will meet. Later, she may add integrated reminders and easier ways to stay in contact with family. When technology works well, it fades into the background, like the electricity that powers all the devices in the kitchen, fridge, jug, toaster or stove. You just plug a new device into a PowerPoint and you're good to go. So the Florence Project is not trying to create one super smart device, but rather a whole ecosystem of devices powered by a language knowledge bank that knows Daisy. The language bank needs to know her identity, her roles and relationships, events in her life, and what's important to her. But an essential principle is that the system only knows what Daisy wants it to know and only shares what she wants it to share. It's called transparent design. She can see and edit what the system knows about her. And the system's data will be stored where Daisy wants it to be stored, either on trusted devices in a smart home system or hosted online by a provider she chooses and trusts. Over 7 years, the Florence Project has pioneered many foundational components of this communication ecosystem. The Florence Language Bank learns about Daisy using pioneering AI, guided and supervised by Daisy and her family. We have developed new algorithms for voice processing, analysing conversations and audio tagging. We have developed new analysis and processing techniques and integrated knowledge graphs. We've also prototyped many plug-in components, from easy-to-use music players to photo sharing with family and daily reminders. The Florence Project is ongoing, designing technologies that are wanted and useful, a communication ecosystem that will make our days go better.